biggity Jayeness crew up in your motherfucking area.
Check it out.
Back in action without stopping. Jayeness is about to get it poppin'.
So we rhymed in the past to win the hearts when we drop it.
You better be nodding your head to this, you really got no option.
So we flip it up high funk the whole night in.
Throwing it down like that, becoming equipped to show you what has happened lately.
This may be a baby to show you that it's
That
crazy.
them other groups really ain't supplying what is needed.
While we breathe with it, sleep with it, always keep the heat in it.
Stepping it up a notch because we're far from intermediate. Stepping it up
There ain't no need for us repeating it.
No,
I know, so get it back in action, bro.
we've been absent for so long that they got used to whack flows.
So here we go again, two true MCs to the bone, my friend.
Only when we're open to lose, we'll know we'll always win. Boy, that all depends.
So let us go up in this kind of flow. I show all damn how we do this thing.
Born in the 80s, raised in the 90s.
Listen to the rugged and rough shit that drives me.
Never liked school, then but placed it all behind me. I thought I knew it all until the day I turned 19.
Gee, all those years passed me by very quickly.
But I learned to stop wasting time if it tempts me.
That's why we came back to flip the track in a hurry, cause y'all needed to see while we were busy.
Improving the style, now are we telling people truth or a lie? Jayeness the next thing, it's up for you to decide.
For the first time in the long ride, go ride. Jayeness is back to get it, we go all out.
Cause with microphone snatches, you know what we're after.
Rhyming on stage to get with beats that blast
The
ya.
inglorious bastards of this rap shit back with.
The classic old school magic on the track.
Hey, yo, back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again from out the basement. Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again. Hey, yo, back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again from out the basement. Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again.
Are you ready for this? Cause now we're about to go. Don't flip it at 5 funk the whole fucking night, yo. We're bringing it to real. You'll be asking what's the deal with these whack ass MCs. Cause now you finally feel like we could be, should be, now would be done if we just let it show you now what's all going wrong. Just start looking around you, start booking the right group. Just to the fucking cash, she is so what they just might do. So let us bring us back to that old school rap. With our goal getters, bullshit is fucking up the track. We're snapping by the neck, cause we don't get down like that. We already killed them all, but the very first hi-hat. Them old school drum rolls and new school mofos don't get along in a song, so don't try it, yo. You better diggity 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 drop the mic and start to diggity 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 dig the great track. I educate your mind, still prepare for a fight. Cause getting out of that mic get made easy. You gotta go and make a better show. Stop talking about the dough, start to work on a better flow. But I don't know if you're ready for this, cause everybody needs to grow physically and mentally. You got to be prepared for this, bro. Preparations are in progress. It's time to set our goal, yes. David Jayeness for bringing that raw shit.
Yo, back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again from out the basement. Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again. Hey, yo, back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again from out the basement. Back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again. Hey, yo, I don't know if you notice, but the rhythm we drop is focused or containing like you know this. When I'm spitting a biggity bogus, who's the dopest? You better start acting like you know it, cause the biggity riggity rack shit that you bring and we gon' smoke it. Ferocious, diggity drop a flow that's so contagious, it will stick throughout the ages. And we kicking it with the majors, not the minors. Flipping some pages that contain the rhymes that will blow your mind. It's Jiggity Jayeness and A Brown. We taking the moment to shine, we never be getting enough of that shit. On that old school boom bap funk, we reminisce, aight. Making some noise, I reckon the buff and correct. Taking a blunt to the head, lyrically we summon it up on a set, so why don't you bump this? We know about punk kids, having a blunt lit, making the drum fit, dropping some funk shit. Riggedy rock the mic like we were all supposed to do. But it's only the chosen few that's bringing it old school, and you know who's looking to take it back even more. Samoerai rigging the bar and jigging the jaw, back at the source, the fundamentals. Always stay in touch with our roots, we never give up the fight, we stay in the ring and do what we should do. Represented hip-hop, that made us wanna go do with real music. I wanna bet he don't know nothing about this movement that we into while we grooving, kicking the flavor you adore. Taking it back to 94 while we raising the bar, y'all. Yo, back to the basics, yeah, kid, face it. Old school is coming back again from out the